Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief, and to celebrate America's 250th birthday, today I'm going to show you a recipe for steak. What's more American than a good steak? I call this animal-style steak frite. So to get started, we're going to select a steak. So today I've chose a T-bone steak. I like a T-bone steak because you get a little bit of filet, but you also get a New York strip. So we're going to start by coating the steak with oil. Now the reason we do this is so that the seasoning will stick to the steak. Generous amounts of salt, generous amounts of pepper. And you're going to season the steak on both sides. Okay, now we're ready to take it over to our grill. Place the steak on the hottest side of the grill, and you're going to let that cook. We're going to turn it probably in about another 2 or 3 minutes. After about 2-3 minutes, we're going to turn our steak, and I'm going to close the lid. Now while our steak is cooking, we're going to prepare the animal style sauce. So we're going to start with some mayonnaise. To that we're going to add some ketchup, a little Dijon mustard, pickle relish, a bit of cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. You want to mix this well until everything is incorporated. Now we're going to save this when we finish our steak. Let's flip our steak over. Now once your steak has reached your desired temperature, remove it from the grill. And you want to let your steak set for about a minute before you plate it. Once your steak is rested, place it on your plate. Today I'm serving the steak with some cheesy fries. And then take your animal sauce and pour it around your steak. And there you have it. Animal style steak frite.